Hello, Sir JD, and to my fellow future chemists. I'm Nicola Joseph, and I will be presenting the lab report of the merged group of A9 and B9 about the total alkalinity of commercially bought alkaline bottled waters. The alkalinity of bottled water plays a crucial role in its taste, pH stability, and overall water quality, which are important for consumer satisfaction and health. The objective of this study was to evaluate the alkalinity level of six commercially available bottled water brands: Evian, Le Mineral, Nature Spring, 7-Eleven, Lightwater, and Kirkland. We aim to determine how these brands compare in terms of alkalinity values and hypothesized that bottled water with higher alkalinity would exhibit greater pH stability. To ensure accuracy, the alkalinity levels were measured using titration and expressed in milligrams per liter as calcium carbonate. Statistical analysis, including mean and standard deviation calculations, were performed to classify the samples into low, moderate, or high alkalinity categories. We also applied the Moods median test to evaluate the significance of differences in alkalinity levels among the brands. The results are summarized in the tables presented. Evian and Le Mineral displayed higher alkalinity values, which contributed to better pH stability and a more consistent taste. In contrast, Kirkland had the lowest alkalinity, raising concerns about its pH stability and overall water quality. These findings suggest that the water source, mineral content, and treatment processes likely influence the alkalinity. The results indicate that higher alkalinity is associated with better pH stability, taste, and water quality. Supporting previous studies like those by Adams et al., this information is essential for consumers when choosing bottled water, as well as for manufacturers aiming to ensure the quality of their product. In conclusion, the study found significant variation in the alkalinity of the bottled water brands tested. Evian and Le Mineral showed the highest alkalinity, suggesting greater consistency and better resistance to pH fluctuations, while Kirkland showed lower alkalinity, raising concerns about quality. We hope this research will help consumers make better choices when selecting bottled water. It's also important to remember that while drinking alkaline water is generally safe, you shouldn't fully rely on claims about its health benefits, as there are few studies to support them. Thank you, everyone, and may we all have an alkafine day.